I know for a fact you one day wanted to just add some good old wireframe to your. Oh shit. God, fuck cycles. I mean Eevee. I know for a fact you one day wanted to add beautiful wireframe to your model, and you want to make it visible in renders for some reason. So I'm gonna show you how to do that exactly. So first, make a new material. Ignore all of this. Make a new material. Make it black or whatever color you want the wireframe to be. Uh, Go to the modifiers section and click wireframe. Now as you can see your model's fucked up, so uncheck replace original. Now it still looks kind of fucked up, but we can fix that. Tweak around with the offset and the thickness. Tweak around with that a little bit. Uh, in my case, 4 works well. And in the material offset, you want to set this to the highest to the highest number you want. It can be anything as I can't speak. So, in the material offset, you want to set the material offset to the latest material you added. So just keep going up until you get the material you just added. You know, the wireframe material. And there you go, as you can see, you can see the wireframe and all the, bye.